Hello students, this is our second class on the chapter Our Skeletal System. In our last class, we discussed about the different parts of a skeleton. We already learnt about the skull and the backbone. Today, we are going to study about the rib cage. Students, the rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of carved bones which are known as ribs. These 12 pairs of bones are known as ribs. Now you can see the diagram in your book. Here, the rib cage. See the diagram. The small bones are attached to the backbone. In the back and in the front, they attached to the sternum or the breastbone and form a cage-like structure. This cage-like structure is known as rib cage, which enclose and protect the soft, delicate lungs and heart inside it. This rib cage protects the lungs and heart from external injury. The two last pair of bones, here you can see this and this. These two pairs of bones are connected to the backbone only. They are not attached with the breastbone in the front. So that they are known as floating ribs. This is all about the rib cage. Children, this rib cage is a cage-like structure and protect our soft and delicate important organs of our body, that is heart and the lungs. Now come to the fourth part of the skeleton, that is girdles. There are two types of girdles, pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. These girdles are hard, strong bony-like structure. They are ring-like bony structures which are connected to the vertebral column. These girdles connect the vertebral column to the body. There are two pairs of girdles. They are pectoral girdles and pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle are also known as shoulder girdles and the pelvic girdle is also known as hip girdle. The pectoral girdles or the shoulder girdles, they connect the hands to the body, and the hip girdle or the pelvic girdle connects the legs to the body. Clear? So children, this is all about the girdles. There are two types of girdles, pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle connects the hands to the body, and the pelvic girdle or the hip girdle connects the legs to the body. They are also bones. You can see the pictures here. Pictures of pelvic girdle. Here you can see the pelvic girdle here connect to the lower limbs or the legs, and here the pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle, this side you can see connect the hands to the body, and they also connect the vertebral column to the limbs, to the upper limbs and to the lower limbs. They connect the vertebral column to the limbs, the upper limb and the lower limb. We will study more about it when we will learn the limb bones. Okay, there are also two types of limb bones, upper limbs and lower limbs. We will study about the limb bones in our next class. Understood? Till then, you will learn now skull, backbone, rib cage and two different types of girdles. Understood? Learn page 43 for rib cage and girdles. Thank you.